Yeah, you had the thing on wrong.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah, baby.
So that's
I
so
couldn't even get it,
big.
Patrice. He's still
Okay.
eating it.
Is that a good picture? Or take another one. Take another one.
Watch your shirt, Patrice. This
I know. It's Sarah's shirt anyway.
Look, I have a picture of the cake.
Now put him in there so he can eat it.
Look.
My boy finna kill that bad boy. What?
Oh, no bluebell.
Can we have cupcakes?
Put this back on there. Patrice, you gonna step in cupcake icing under your foot. Oh.
Look at him.
I'm
Festo.
gonna put that right on Facebook.
And Olivia didn't even eat hers. Like, she didn't like the messy stuff. She don't like messy stuff.
That's
So
my
she
Try
like
it.
it.
Try it.
He's looking like, can I eat?
Y'all gonna have to send it to my phone.
And this is my wife right here, the one who made them too. Say hey, baby. You on my
Get his
Facebook
messy
now,
self.
hater.